May arrest warrant na daw si Senador Jinggoy Estrada, mga kababayan. Nag-issue daw ng warrant of arrest ngayon ang Sandigang Bayan, Second Division. Ito yung balita mula sa ABS-CBN News na the Sandigan Bayan, Second Division has issued warrant of arrest and hold departure orders against Senator Jinggoy Estrada, ex-DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan, and other ex-DPWH NCR officials. The Anti-Graft Court Second Division, chaired by Presiding Justice Geraldine Icong, handles Estrada graft case over his alleged involvement in the flood control kickback scheme. Estrada correspondents, including Engineer Dinril Cortuna, Engineer Arturo Gonzalez Jr., and Engineer Manuel Bulusan, were also issued warrant of arrest and hold departure orders. So yun, mga kababayan, yun ang balita dito na lumabas ngayon lang na may arrest warrant na daw si Senador Jinggoy Estrada. So ibig sabihin yan, mga kababayan, magbawasan na naman yung majority sa Senado. So palagay natin ubusin talaga to sila pagsampa ng kaso para matuloy yung mga plano ni Bangag, mga kababayan.